Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of my mum's, might be mine soon, IS200, and today I'm going to be repairing all of this damage in here. So this is just rust, and I started cutting it and then stopped as I need to get some supplies to fix it, so I'm going to try and cut out all the rust and the corrosion stuff. I've got some built hamber stuff, not sponsored by them, but they're good quality things. And yeah, I'm just going to crack on. So I'll put you down as you can see, hopefully, what's going on. And then, yeah, start cutting it and getting some bits done on it. Okay on the inside, which is good. Try and preserve as much as I can. But yeah, even the skin looks pretty good actually, so I'm relieved about that. So yeah, I'll stop for lunch and then I'll get back to you guys. So I stopped for lunch and then I got back onto it. So I've cut out all up here, cut all the way down to here. I'm about to put on the this Dynex sort of rust converter on all of this. I had to cut out the bottom section of the bottom of the outer skin of the thing to allow me to sort of get to it, and also it was all rusty and very thin. So I'm going to smother everything in rust killing stuff, rust proofing or rust converting stuff, and then cling film it, and I'll come back to you once I've put it on, and then I'll cling film it, and then, or once I've cling filmed it, and then yeah, and then tomorrow I'll clean it all off and hope that it's done its job, and then spray a load of the zinc oxide stuff on all the bits I'm not welding, so all inside and everything, which will prevent any more rust from occurring. So yeah, that's the plan anyway. Yeah, it doesn't look very good at the minute, but should have enough metal anyway. If not, I'll have to get more, but yeah. Okay, so I've just wrapped it in this in cling, so it's all wrapped up. That's the rust proofing stuff. I used my finger and the thing with a glove, and then just put it on. Seems to be on okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna basically go. My next job is, well, this is coming across on camera. All of this, that hole there, and everything. I'm just gonna, anything in sort of rust looking, I'm gonna smother it in that rust neutral, rust remover. See how well it does, and come back tomorrow and see what that looks like. And if it clears it all up, like the surface stuff, I'm going to grab, I've got some underseal and just underseal it. So, because this is all like sort of surface rust and stuff, and on the boot floor as well. Might get the grind on that, I don't know, it depends how adventurous I feel. So yeah, so I'll get on to that next. So I've just wrapped all of this and done the coat and stuff. Probably going to leave the rest for now. I might do it rest the underside tomorrow. I'll probably grind all this stuff off and do it that way. I'm going to cut the other side and get that more or less ready to go for tomorrow, and probably try and get some of the rust remover stuff on. Hello everyone, it's the next day for me, but probably a couple of minutes in the video, or the next video, I'm not sure yet. As you can see, all the rust proofing stuff, or rust removing stuff, has sort of gone green, so I'm gonna pull it all off, and then I'll come back to you once it's all cleaned off, and yeah, see what it looks like. So I've removed a lot of the sort of rust converters, still some under there, but I'm going to get some brake clean a bit later and clean that up. So it's all looking much better already. So I've then made myself those templates over there marked up, and I'll add the photos into the video to sort of show what those look like in place. Those will need all cutting out of metal, and then bending and what have you, and should go in there, and then that'll be sort of this afternoon job. So this is the rust on the driver's side, so I'm going to come back once I've cut this away and hopefully we'll have some good metal, and not hopefully, I'm hoping it doesn't go too far up here, but we'll see. Right, so I've just cut all this back up here, and it was repaired under here before, like last year, so I'm going to try and sort of keep that as much as I can. But I'd removed this little plastic cover here, and I was just looking at how this was secured, and it's just snapped. So this should be like a round sort of bit. I don't really know what it does, but it's obviously some sort of structural bit. So I'm gonna need to. I've posted on the Facebook forums for the IS to see if anyone knows what these are called. Probably by the video gets uploaded it will be done, but I need one of those ASAP and one for the other side, because that one's as effed as this one. So it's a bar as well, and I'm thinking I need that as well, because that's not going to come off potentially, because it's all going to be seized and they're all weird like torquey bits. So I'm gonna probably try and do the rest of the cutting here and see if I can get that off, and then yeah, I might take that off next, as I'm just sort of at that point where it's like I'm nearly finished for the day, so I'm gonna sort of try and get that off, tidy this up. I will get the rust stuff on tonight, so I think I'll tidy this up, rust proof, or rust kill it, and then get this beam off, and hopefully that'll be good. So I'll probably take the beam off next, and then I'll get back to you whether I get it off. I'm going to now repeat the process that I did on the other side of cleaning all this off, making the templates, and then yeah, should be ready to go. Hello guys, just wanted to say, done all the welding now, so it's all welded. So tomorrow I'm going to do the filler around it just to seal it all up and paint it, and then yeah, that'll be done. And then around the other side, that's what the other side looks like, all done, all welded up, lovely curved bit there. So yeah, so that's structural MOT pass now. But I'll do, yeah, all of the fillery bits, and then that'll be done. And then, hello everyone, this will be the final part of the video, or near the final part. So I've done all the undersealing and the blacking and all the good stuff like that. So yeah, so it's all ready to go for the MOT, hopefully on Tuesday, and it should pass with no problems on any of the rust. Yeah, so just been adjusting the new max speeding rod suspensions, which I didn't do a video on when I fitted them, because me and my mate were so excited to put them on. We just whittled away and did that. There aren't any videos on how to do it on these, but it's fairly similar to the saloon cars anyway, so I'd say these ones though, these gold ones, which are the base model ones, I wouldn't recommend if you want a harder back or harder rear, because these are so soft. Even changing stuff around, they don't go any harder. Dampers are on full hard, and I've adjusted the spring where that sits, and it makes no odds. So they might get some stiffer springs for it. Not sure yet. Yeah, so that's it. I'll show you the other side, and then that's it. Right, so this is the other side, which is all undersealed, lovely, and all patched. Not the best work there, it's a bit, you know, but it is what it is. It's all structural, so yeah. And then this is the other side, suspension all adjusted to roughly how I can get it to feel roughly right. So yeah, it's all done. Wheel back on, torque them up, an MOT, at the beginning of the week.